This is part of a very large project, again designed to improve the local electric system and enable it to better withstand major storms. This project includes more than 200 new poles. These are poles that are designed to withstand wind gusts of 130 miles an hour or more. They're made of concrete and they weigh upwards of nearly 8,000 pounds. Now this particular line serves about 3,000 customers as well as many of the businesses here along the strip in Bradenton Beach and also inland.